Piers Morgan has broken his silence over rumours he could replace Philip Schofield on This Morning, but admitted that there's one problem. Former GMB star Piers, 58, has spoken previously of his friendship with Holly Willoughby, defending her last year during Q-Gate, so fans have speculated this could spark his big ITV comeback. Like Phil, Piers was famously forced to quit his ITV show in 2021 after making a series of controversial comments about Meghan Markle. Taking to Twitter today, Piers shared a photo of himself and Holly and tweeted, "Thanks to everyone suggesting I might replace Philip Schofield at This Morning in a Lazarus-like comeback to ITV. Unfortunately, there's just one problem, I still don't believe a single word Meghan Markle says. It comes as Phil's friendship with Holly is believed to be in tatters after telling pals behind the scenes that he has been left hung out to dry with his This Morning ex. The Mirror last night revealed that he was forced out from his ITV job of 18 years after a tense showdown with bosses. It came after weeks of intense scrutiny since a bitter rift with co-host Holly Willoughby was made public. In an announcement to his fans on Instagram, Phil said that he was stepping down in a bid to protect the show that I love, but failed to mention his former best pal Holly. And behind the scenes, Phil moaned to sympathizers he had been hung out to dry by Holly and TV chiefs. Phil's contract was up in September. His place will be filled by other ITV hosts, with Alison Hammond as main backup to Holly. A source said, Phil's fate was decided on Friday. It was a unanimous decision that he had to go. He was upset, but firm that if he was going to walk away he wanted to keep his roles on The Cube, the British Soap Awards, and Dancing on Ice, crucially, with or without Holly. And they agreed to the terms he laid out. As far as he was concerned, if he was going to take one for the team, they would owe him. And his friendship with Holly is now in tatters. It is hard to see how it could recover. The fact he chose to pointedly thank people who supported him, and the viewers, without mentioning her says it all. Phil has since fled to Cornwall to be with his mum Pat, 85. He made the 300-mile trip to the seaside to spend Friday chatting to his beloved mum on a coastal path walk, appearing to pour his heart out to her as she ambled alongside him with her walking frame.